guys, it's Shelly. Welcome back to Clean Green Being. If it's your first time here, welcome. Thanks for stopping by. If you don't mind, before you leave, hitting the subscribe button and the bell notification icon below, I would greatly appreciate it. And lastly, if you find the information in today's video helpful, be sure to hit the like button. Okay, so today's video is actually going to be part one of a 2-video series where I review the new Ilia Beauty Necessary Eyeshadow Palettes and also their new Midnight Express liquid liner. So Ilia Beauty just came out with 2 newly formulated eyeshadow palettes for fall of 2019. I'm really excited to give them a review for you because they are beautiful. However, they did come out with 2 shades in their palettes. They have the new Warm Nudes and also the Cool Nudes palette. You'll have to check out that video to kind of get a glimpse of kind of the color story. It's really beautiful. However, again, as mentioned, I'm going to be reviewing both palettes and creating this look specifically using the Necessary Eyeshadow Palette in Warm Nude. So if you're interested in sticking around to watch me create this look, again, using the Ilia Beauty Necessary Eyeshadow Palette in Warm Nude and also featuring their new liquid liner in the shade Midnight Express, then go ahead and keep on watching. So before I jump into the footage of me creating this eyeshadow look using the new Ilia Beauty Necessary Eyeshadow Palette in the shade Warm Nude, I first want to give you a little bit of information about the palette itself. So as mentioned in my intro, Ilia Beauty has reformulated their eyeshadows for these 2 palettes. Again, there is a Cool Nude and a Warm Nude. And within these palettes, they do come with 6 talc-free, cleanly formulated powders that are super buttery, blendable, and pigmented. They help you kind of just deliver a beautiful wash of color on the lid with very minimal fallout. What I really love about this color story is that it just has the right shades to give you kind of the ability to create day looks and night looks, so super versatile. And also I want to mention that these shadows do come in a variety of finishes, which include matte, shimmer, and metallic. So without any further ado, let's just go ahead and jump right into the footage of me creating this look using the new Ilia Beauty Necessary Eyeshadow Palette in the shade Warm Nude.
You are my pill, I swallow it. Take me away to Neverland, where colors fade my disbelief and make me forget my memories. Rent a car you can't afford, put on a song that we both know. Let your hair out in the wind, put the pedal to the floor. Flame your light and take a smoke. Put your broken rip-off wafers on. Doesn't matter if the sun goes down, we'll still be up, still be up. Don't care about the place we found, we'll still be up, still be up. We're in this together, we both fall down. Doesn't matter if the sun goes up, cause we will still be high when the lights out. We can pretend that time is still, stay in the daydream, chase the thrill, make up the way as we go, live for the moment, lose control. Rent a car you can't afford, put on a song that we both know. Let your hair out in the wind, put the pedal to the floor. Flame your light and take a smoke. Put your broken rip-off wafers on. Doesn't matter if the sun goes down, we'll still be up, still be up. Don't care about the place we found, we'll still be up, still be up. We're in this together, we both fall down. Doesn't matter if the sun goes up, cause we will still be high when the lights out. I'll swallow it. Take me away to Neverland, where colors fade my disbelief and make me forget my memory. Rent a car you can't afford, put on a song that we both know. Let your hair out in the wind, put the pedal to the floor. Flame your light, thick as smoke. Put your broken rip off, wafers on. Doesn't matter if the sun goes down, we'll still be up, still be up. Don't care about the place we found, we'll still be up, still be up. We're in this together, we both fall down. Doesn't matter if the sun goes up, cause we will still be high when the lights out. We can pretend that time is still, stay in the daydream, chase the thrill, make up the way as we go, live for the moment, lose control. Rent a car you can't afford, put on a song that we both know. Let your hair out in the wind, put the pedal to the floor. Flame your light and take a smoke, put your broken rip off, wafers on. Doesn't matter if the sun goes down, we'll still be up, still be up. Don't care about the place we found, we'll still be up, still be up. We're in this together, we both fall down. Doesn't matter if the sun goes up, cause we will still be high when the lights out.
Okay, so that completes this eyeshadow look using the new Ilia Beauty Necessary Eyeshadow Palette in the shade Warm Nude. You guys, these shadows are so soft, buttery, blendable, pigmented, basically every adjective that you could use to apply to a really great eyeshadow palette. The application of these shadows was truly just effortless. It blended so easily, and I'm just so in love with this color story. I really can't wait to play around with these deeper shades for fall. It's just gonna be really gorgeous. In terms of the clean liquid eyeliner in Midnight Express, a really great deep black matte liquid eyeliner. I'm really liking it so far, particularly the tip of the eyeliner. It's actually really firm. It doesn't have a lot of bend, so it makes it really easy to apply, at least in my opinion. Sometimes when a felt tip eyeliner is a little bit too floppy, I guess, it kind of can get a little bit unruly at times. It just really seems to be a great liquid liner so far. So with that being said, let me know in the comments down below if you've had a chance to try the new Ilia Beauty Necessary Eyeshadow Palettes, more specifically the Warm Nude palette. I'm really interested in hearing your thoughts. And before I go, I definitely want to mention, be sure to check out part 2 of this little series if you are interested in watching me review the Cool Nudes palette. It's kind of the sister to this Warm Nude palette. So if you're interested in watching that, definitely be sure to check it out. And with that being said, I just want to say thank you so much for taking the time to view today's video. I really appreciate your viewership. Clean Green Being has new uploads every Sunday and Wednesday. So if you haven't done so already, be sure to hit the subscribe button and the bell notification icon below so that you can be notified of all of our future uploads, and I will see you on the next one. Thanks, guys.